I just picked up a little motor. I don't know much about it. There it is. Briggs and Stratton side shaft. We're gonna take it home and see if we can't get it to run. This thing was just sitting on the side of the road. Somebody didn't want it. So we're gonna see why. Briggs and Stratton obviously doesn't have a carburetor. Here's some numbers. If anybody knows how to tell what size it is, please let me know. Briggs and Stratton abandoned motor, test 1. Pull the spark plug out. Can't get the plug wire off. It's like they silicone it to it or something. There we go. There's your problem. Loaded up spark plug. I guarantee you that's the problem. Get in real close. No spark. We're gonna pull this outer cover off. See if we can't get to that ignition coil and clean it up. See if we can't get a spark out of it. I need to grab an 8mm real quick. So what we have here is a very corroded flywheel, and the coil is also corroded, and the gap may not be correct. So we're going to pull it off and clean it up. Okay, let's clean it up. I don't have any wire brushes at the moment. I do, I just can't locate them. So I got a sanding claw or sponge. Just gonna hit that up.
Sponge. Just gonna hit that up. I don't know if there's any way to breathe new life back into an old coil, but I know a cleaner one will work better than a corroded one. Get that cleaned up. Also, where the connection wire attaches to the signal wire, make sure it's got a good surface contact. And I'm also gonna hit the flywheel. It's pretty rough. So is my sanding pad. Just put back on. Plug it back in. Put it back in its spot. We can adjust it as we go. Some people say thickness of a sheet of paper. I try to go by what some people say. Obviously, they know what they're talking about. There we go. Almost crossed it in. Yeah. Touching. Still touching. I know the bottom one was touching for sure. That top one was causing me some trouble. I'll probably not do it again. Let's just start all the way over. Seems like it's only got, I'm trying to act like it's only got 2 spots. But I know what it is, it's probably a magnet. Keep pulling me to it. Close on that one. I don't know. I'm still touching up top. Just smooth it out and then I'll bump it and see if we can get it closer. A little too close, I think. That's what it's going to have to be.
Let's see what we got spark. Of course, you know, the spark plug could be bad. I just cleaned up the one we had just to find out for sure. I don't think it's sparking. Throw another plug in. Now we're going to install the fresh spark plug. And we're going to try a little carburetor air intake cleaner to get it started. I have the worst luck with carburetor air intake cleaner. You really need actual starting fluid. Some of my 3-wheelers will not start on this. So we'll see how a lawnmower engine does. Alright, got the spark plug installed. Give it a good crank. Abandoned Briggs and Stratton, test number 2. Abandoned Briggs and Stratton, test number 3. Actual starting fluid. Can looks like crap, but it'll work. Abandoned Briggs and Stratton test 4. Brand new spark plug this time. She runs.